Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Leonardo AI to create AI generated videos in 2025. With the help of Leonardo AI itself, you can do it very easily because they have newly launched this function. So if you are interested, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. First of all, you need to start by heading to the leonardo.ai and log into your account. Once this step is done, simply click on the launch app option and the interface should look something like this. Over here among the given tabs, you will see video. So you need to tap on the video option and this section will look something like this. Here you need to make sure that video tab is selected. So on top of it, you will see enter a prompt option. So here in this section, you will have to provide the prompt. So you can write your prompt here or you can seek help from ChatGPT in this regard. Once you are done, simply click on the generate option, and as you can see that for free plan it requires you to have 200 plus credits, but currently in my account I have only 150, and for free you are going to get 150 credits. So if you have the paid plan of Leonardo AI, you just have to click on the generate option and wait for Leonardo AI to generate the videos for you. Now once the videos are generated successfully, it will look something like this. Then you just have to select the one that you want to download and click on the download option, and the mp3 file will be downloaded in your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.